Hello, welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today I just feel like whining about something that plagues me and has been plaguing me, I swear, ever since the WebView 2 update. I don't know. But just even the past 9 months with Power BI, I've noticed just a general instability in Power BI Desktop, the product. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. So first thing you have to understand is I use Power BI a lot. I have two different rigs that I have in my home office. I have Power BI up on both of them constantly. Um, just in case I get 5 minutes out of the day and I can go answer a forum post or something, which is all I was trying to do, right? This is all I was trying to do was answer this individual's, post. So just two enter data queries that I unpivoted, right? And we're talking not even 10 rows of data pretty much, right? So that's all I did. That's all I did. I went into Power BI and I did that. And I clicked, close and apply. And then this is just, it just goes out to lunch, right? So yeah, you can see there's this window. It's supposed to be the loading window, right? And this is how it always does it. And this happens to me probably once a week at least, with this product, where it just flakes out. Um, and it just won't do anything. And so the only way to solve it is you come in here. I don't know what it's doing, right? It's got some stuff going on, but it ain't doing it. It ain't doing what it's supposed to do. It's like you just got to kill it. Just have to kill the thing and then relaunch it again. And let's see if it actually like saved my, what I did, right? Because this is the frustrating part, right? You're in there, you're trying to load data, and you've done some Power Query work. In this case, not very much, just a few unpivots of some columns, and you lose the work. And it's just so frustrating. Um, let's do blank report. So yeah, no, it's gone, right? I don't get the little button up here that says, "Hey, you have some unsaved work or whatever." Nope, you don't even get that, right? So I wish Microsoft would fix their product. It's, I'm a big advocate for the product, and I work with it for years. I've written books on it. That's how much I have enjoyed working on the product. But lately, I swear, lately it's unstable and it's buggy and it's a piece of junk and it doesn't work. And it makes you lose things that you're spending time on. And there's nothing more frustrating for somebody that's busy, to have just their time and effort just wasted because of some buggy, crappy product. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.